The all-new Volkswagen ID.3 is a magnificent hatchback celebrating the electric vehicle revolution. Smart, stylish, practical and clean, the ID.3 is family-friendly and eco-aware. Winner of the Car Wow Most Wanted Award in 2019, this power-packed model provides an impressive 310 Nm of torque, which is delivered instantaneously. It even provides a maximum range of 336 miles, meaning there's no journey you can't cover with ease. Inside, the model is as contemporary as they come. The panoramic sunroof floods the interior with light. An AR heads-up display projects key information onto the windscreen, and the central touchscreen provides access to all key functions. Plenty in legroom and headroom for up to 5, boot space of 385 litres and ambient lighting to help set the perfect mood. The new ID.3 is a model that is certain to impress. Discover more with a test drive at Johnson's Volkswagen today.